Hey, what's up, wrestling fans? WWE SummerSlam is over. We just got done with our review. Our 2-hour review is up now, so go check it out. What the hell, WWE? Let me tell you, this NXT was amazing last night. It was so good, and then SummerSlam to me was bad. It was bad. But this was a pretty cool moment, and there was some great wrestling. It's just that things just never seem quite right at SummerSlam. I gotta say, things just seem bizarre at times, and that's what I get, guys. So please go check out our review. I wanted to let you know it's up now. Brock Lesnar, Undertaker ends in controversy. Now there's all kinds of reports out there that The Undertaker collapsed and fell down. There's video of him falling down as he goes to the back entranceway. There is video of The Undertaker collapsing, and now there's reports of broken rib and could be going to the hospital. I don't know if these reports are false and people are just trying to get traction for stuff that's not real. I'm not 100% sure yet on what's factual information, what's not factual. We don't have all the details yet, so I'm irresponsibly reporting it anyway because that's what I do, and I don't understand what's going on and where these reports are coming from. Now there are reports of the collapse. I understand that part is real, and maybe he broke a rib. We don't know. I will get you information as it comes to us. Go watch our review, though. 2 hours. I hope you subscribe. I hope you join. And thanks for 17,000 subscribers. Thank you to Mick Foley. And thank you to everybody who supported the Joe Cronin Show. And thank you to my partner, The Dead on Dave. Hope you guys can like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you as the news continues, and after Monday Night Raw, tomorrow night we'll be live right here on the Joe Cronin Show. We're going to take your phone calls at 339-226-6610. Shout out to JD from New York and Justin LeBar. What's up, guys? And we'll see you soon.